In this video, I'm going to provide you the profitable buy sell indicator that is available for free on TradingView, and you will be able to catch very good massive profits. And if you are going to follow my instructions, then you will be going to make a good profits using this strategy. Okay, first of all, guys, this strategy is completely free, and you can see we have very accurate signals, and we will use in a particular way. So make sure that you are going to watch this full video. Okay, before I jump into this video, guys, please visit my website fxmentorus.com. If you have any problems with your broker, you can join the best broker. I have listed the banner on my website. You can simply click here and you can open the best account with the broker for Forex and the crypto. So all you just need is to click on get started. If you want to book the 1 hour market maker coaching session with me, then you can simply go to the coaching page, and you can simply learn that how banks trade and what are the bank tactics, and you can simply book the 1 hour market maker session with me. And if you want my indicators, and the new indicator is not listed yet, but the other indicators are listed on the website, and you can simply go to the indicator section and you can scroll the indicators from here. So guys, make sure that you are going to visit the fxmentorus.com, and if you want to get any indicator, and if you want to book your coaching session with me, you can use Telegram and you can use the email from here. Okay, now coming back to the point, and this is the going to be the very interesting video, because I am going to give you the trading solution in this video that works very well. So the first indicator that you need to work is the Burk USA signals. Okay, so if you write BERK Burk and then USA buy sell signal by Elion, and you can see this is the new indicator, because I mostly review those indicators which are quite unique in nature. And if we click on this indicator, then you can see that we have red lines and green lines spotted on our screen. There is a way to use this indicator, and I will explain you how you can do it. Okay, so this strategy is not complete yet, because we want something for the confirmation. That is why I am going to use another indicator that is called Smoothed Heikenhashi Candles version 1 by Jack VMK. Okay, I repeat, Smoothed Heikenhashi Candles version 1. Okay, now guys, when I attach this indicator, first of all, you need to understand that we are not going to change any settings. This is not the requirement of this strategy, because if you will change the setting, then you will not be able to find the good trading setups. Okay, now the first of all, the Burke USA indicator, the big problem with this indicator provides you very good signals from the key levels, but there is a only problem that it is subject to repainting. I'm talking about this indicator. So we want to handle the repainting factor. Rest the signals that it supply in the from the major areas, they are very accurate. That is why we are going to use the smoothed Heikenhashi candles from here, and I will prove you why this strategy works very well, because there is a reason. Okay, so first of all, you can see here we have the sell signal from the Burke USA. So never do this, because as I have mentioned, that this Burke USA indicator repaint. So never do this, that you are going to blindly open a sell position. No, always check the smooth Heikenhashi. As you can see, the smooth Heikenhashi is red, and it has provided you a sell signal. Now you can simply take your trade from here, and you can see there is a bearish ride. Okay, and now you can see we have the buy signal, but just look at the smoothie Heikenhashi, it was red, so no need to take the trade. And you will take the trade after that area when the smoothie Heikenhashi has turned into green color. And now just look at the price is simply up. Yes, this is the repainting by the indicator, but if you are going to follow my instruction, you will not give even a grass to the repainting factor, because you will simply be going to make the profits using this strategy. Just look at this. We have the buy signal from here, but you can see we have the entry from here on Euro USD. The price is up. Okay, okay. Now more scenarios I can show you, like let's go to the other pairs, because on some signal. Okay, look at here again. We have the signal, but the smoothie was into red color. No need to take the trade. Wait for it. You can see we have the green signal, and now you can see price is up. So guys, this is the premium strategy that I'm giving to you, because might be you're thinking that it repaints. No, The repainting is with this one, but when the price will come below the Heiken, then you will be simply amazed with the results. For example, you can see we have the sell signal, already the price is down, but we are not supposed to take that one until unless we do not get a first red bar from the Heiken. Otherwise, for example, if this is the sell signal from here, and if the market goes up here, then this bar will switch up to here, and then it will give you another sell, but your strategy will remain the same. As you can see, we have not a sell signal from the smoothie Heiken, so the waiting is the best option in that case, and I can prove that this strategy works very well. And you can see we have the sell signal from here. Just wait few time. Okay, and now you can see you get a proper entry exactly from here, and now you can see the drop. So this is the super accurate indicator that I am giving you, and you can even get rid of the many premium indicators. You can see here we have the buy signal, and let's see, do we have the bullish dots? Yes, we have the bullish dots. Now you can take your trade. Okay, what will be the stop loss in that scenario? The stop loss is very simple. If the price, you can even set up the stop loss, like if you are into the buy trade, you can set up the stop loss at the previous low. Otherwise, if the sell signal appears by the smoothie, then it means that this trade is not valid anymore. So guys, I hope that you like this video, and this is the free strategy. Just go and test it on a demo account, and you will be able to see the very good results. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and share this video. Thank you very much.